Are you tired of seeing a chunk of your crypto investment eaten up by high trading fees? If you're using Gemini, especially the basic mobile or web interface, you could be paying a lot more than you need to. For example, a trade over $200 could cost you 1.49% plus a convenience fee. That adds up fast. But there's a simple fix to dramatically lower your costs and start keeping more of your crypto gains: Gemini ActiveTrader. ActiveTrader is Gemini's professional-grade trading platform, and it uses a completely different fee structure called maker-taker. The best part? It's free to use and easy to enable. So, how do you minimize fees using this powerful tool? It comes down to two key strategies: switching to ActiveTrader and mastering limit orders. Step 1. Switch to ActiveTrader. First, you need to turn it on. Log into your Gemini account on a desktop or web browser. Go to your settings, look for the trading interface option, and switch it from basic to ActiveTrader. It's a one-click change, and it immediately unlocks the lower fee schedule. Under the basic fee structure, you pay a flat fee plus a percentage, and there's a built-in spread. With ActiveTrader, the fees are much lower and depend on your 30-day trading volume. The lowest tier starts at a 0.2% maker fee and a 0.4% taker fee, which is a massive drop from the 1.49% or more on the basic platform. Step 2. Become a maker. This is where you unlock the lowest possible fees. The ActiveTrader model is split into two roles: takers and makers. Takers use market orders. A market order fills instantly at the best available price. You are taking liquidity from the order book, and for this convenience, you pay the higher taker fee, which is up to 0.4% in the lowest tier. Makers use limit orders. A limit order is an instruction to buy or sell at a specific price. If your price is not immediately met, your order rests on the order book, adding liquidity to the exchange. When someone else fills that order, you are paid the significantly lower maker fee, which starts at just 0.2% and can drop to zero for higher volume traders. The trick is to place your limit order slightly away from the current market price. If the current price of Bitcoin is $60,000, you could place a buy limit order at $59,950. You may have to wait a few minutes or a few hours for the market to move and your order to be filled, but that patience can result in a fee reduction of 50% or more on that single trade. Remember, ActiveTrader is only available on the desktop interface, so you'll want to use that for placing your trades. And finally, don't forget the free transfer fee benefit. Gemini offers free crypto withdrawals for a fixed number of withdrawals per asset each month, so be mindful of how often you move your coins off the platform to avoid paying network fees. To recap, switch your account interface to ActiveTrader. Use limit orders to become a maker and qualify for the lowest fees. Implementing just these two changes can save you a bundle, allowing you to build your crypto portfolio faster and more affordably. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.